Alright, so this problem said that when positive integer x there we go, is divided by 11, the quotient is y and the remainder is 4. So this part can be a little tricky. So you think the remainder being 4 would go with the x side, since you would want to keep the divisors and the remainder together. But if you denote that your remainder is 4 over 11, then you know that your quotient is y, and then the remainder with respect to what it's being divided by, which is 11, is also going to be with the quotient side. Okay, so that's the first equation. And then the second equation is when 2x is divided by 8, the quotient is 3y, and the remainder is 2. And then we want to know, which we'll solve on the next page, we want to know then what is the value of 13y minus x. Okay, so let's go back. It's the first page. Alright, so to do this, the easiest way to do it would be to just multiply this whole thing by 11 and get rid of our denominators. So we get rid of this, and this becomes x is equal to 11y plus 4. We do the same thing to the opposite side. So multiply this whole thing by 8, and then we get 2x is equal to 24y plus 2. Now, we can do substitution here. So we could take this x over here and plug it into the other one, or it's actually just easier, multiply this whole thing by 2, and then we get 2x is equal to 22y plus 8. And because this is 2x and 2x, now we can just set the problems equal to each other. So we get 22y plus 8 is equal to 24y plus 2. So y there. Okay, so we subtract 22 from both sides. We're left with just 2y. And we subtract negative 2 from both sides. Okay, and we get 6. So y is equal to 3. Now we can take this 3 and we can plug it back into any part of the problem. So I just chose that y since it's by itself. So then we get x is equal to, so x now is equal to 11 times 3, so 33 plus 4. So x is equal to 37. Now going to the next page, so we have y is equal to 3, x is equal to 37. Therefore, 13 times 3 minus 37 is equal to 39 minus 37, which is equal to 2. And there is your answer.